How to think like a billionaire about money only 10 minutes a day. Indians spend 4.2 hours daily thinking about money. Billionaires spend 12 minutes. Study shows average Indian checks, phone pay, 6 times daily. Bank balance, 3 times daily. Credit card dues, daily. ME reminders, constantly. Total mental energy wasted, 4.2 hours. Mukesh Ambani, 1 weekly review meeting, 12 minutes average. Rest of time, building 8 lakh rupees crore empire. You are thinking, he's building. That's the entire difference. Hard truth. Every minute you spend checking balance is a minute not spent increasing it. 252 minutes daily equals 1512 hours yearly wasted on worry instead of wealth building. 78% of Indians have financial anxiety. 0% of billionaires do. National Mental Health Survey 2023, 78% Indians lose sleep over money. 62% check expenses during family time. 91% feel guilty about spending. Gautam Adani during 2020 crash lost 5,000 crore rupees in one day. Slept peacefully. Why? He doesn't track daily fluctuations. He tracks systems. You track numbers. Numbers stress you. Systems free you. Brutal fact. Your grandfather with 50,000 rupees salary was happier than you with 5 lakh rupees salary. Not because of money. Because he had one decision. Save in FD. You have 47 decisions daily. Decision fatigue is killing your peace and wealth both. Billionaires make 3 money decisions per year. You make 847. Research by Financial Behavioral Institute. Average Indian makes, daily, should I buy this? Equals 365 decisions. Weekly, should I invest now or wait? Equals 52 decisions. Monthly, which bill to pay first? Equals 12 decisions. Random, is this deal worth it? Equals 418 decisions. Total, 847 stressful money decisions yearly. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Paytm, yearly decisions, 3. How much to reinvest in business? How much to personal wealth fund? Charity allocation, that's it. Rest, automated. Mind-blowing reality. Cafe Coffee Day founder Siddhartha wrote 14-page note before suicide. Know what he mentioned? Daily stress of managing money decisions. Billionaires who automate? None committed suicide over money stress. Connection? Obvious. 83% of Indian wealth is dead money. Billionaires have 0% dead money. RBI report 2024, 45 lakh rupees crore sitting in savings accounts. Earning 3% interest, losing 7% to inflation. Net loss, 1.8 lakh rupees crore yearly. That's Indian middle class, thinking about money daily, but money is dying slowly. Radhakishan Damani, D-Mart, 0 money in savings. Every rupee working. Real estate, stocks, business, gold. Even his emergency fund is in liquid mutual funds earning 6%. Practical bomb. Your 5 lakh rupees in savings account loses 20,000 rupees value yearly. Same 5 lakh rupees in index fund gains 60,000 rupees yearly. Difference? 80,000 rupees. You think about money 4 hours daily but lose 80,000 rupees by not acting 10 minutes. Irony? The 10-minute billionaire system nobody tells you. Here's what Infosys founder Narayana Murthy actually does. Every Sunday, 10 a.m. sharp. Minute 1 to 2. Check total net worth, 1 number, all accounts combined. Minute 3 to 4. Verify auto investments happened. SIP, PPF, NPS. Minute 5 to 6. Review any unusual expense over 50,000 rupees. Minute 7 to 8. Check business cash flow dashboard. Minute 9 to 10. Plan one wealth move for next month. Done. Rest of week, builds, creates, grows, not checks, worries, compares. You need this system today. Sunday 9 a.m. Open app. One screen. Total wealth. Takes 30 seconds. Investments auto running? Yes. Move on. Anything broke? Fix in 5 minutes. One action item for month. Write it. Do it. Forget it. Your new rule. Money gets 10 minutes weekly. Not 4 hours daily. Non-negotiable. The data that changes everything. MIT study tracked 10,000 people for 5 years. Group A, thought about money 30 plus minutes daily. Result, 12% average wealth growth. Stress level, 8/10. Health issues, 64%. Group B. Thought about money 10 minutes weekly, systematized. Result. 47% average wealth growth. Stress level. 3/10. Health issues. 19%. Same people. Different approach. 4x better results with 95% less mental energy. Why? Energy spent on worry equals zero returns. Energy spent on building equals compound returns. Comment me to stop the daily money anxiety and build the 10-minute billionaire system. I'll share the exact system with you.